today we're going to finish the back side of this notes page. Remember I said do not lose this. It should be in your binder. It's all about tug of war and stop, chop, chop. If for some reason you did lose it, make sure you check in with the guest teacher and get another one, okay? So we're flipping on the back. So we're talking about multiplication and division. So we're going to talk about the triangle method. This is one more strategy to help you know what sign you need when you multiply and divide negatives and positives, okay? So make sure you write that down. We're going to go through this together. Make sure you've got a pencil. If you don't, grab one. You know where they are in the classroom. So how do we do this? What are the steps? First thing you're going to do is you're going to draw a triangle with 2 minus signs and 1 addition sign. Okay? Then you're going to cross out the signs that you see in the equation or in the problem. Okay? Last step, you're going to circle the remaining sign and find the product, which means we multiplied, or the quotient, which is the answer to a division problem. Okay? So now, I've got a couple examples we're going to do together, and then you're going to have some time to practice. Make sure you check in with the guest teacher to see if your answers are correct. So, first one, negative 8 times 4. So, following my steps, it says draw a triangle. Here's my triangle. It says it needs 2 minus signs and 1 addition sign. Minus, minus, plus. Now I need to cross out what I see. I see a negative, cross it out. I see a positive, cross it out. So my answer has to be negative. All right, negative what? Now I just think, well, what's 8 times 4? You need to know your multiplication facts to be successful at this. 8 times 4, 32. So my answer is a negative 32. Okay. Next one. Negative 7 times negative 11. All right, well, I also know same signs equal positive answer. I also know that different signs equals negative answers. That's something else you could add to your notes. All right, so look at this, same signs. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a positive answer, but if I'm following my triangle method, positive, negative, negative, I need 2 negatives, 1 positive. All right, I see 2 negatives, cross out, cross out. My answer has to be positive. Now I just think, what's 7 times 11? 77. Next one, 36 divided by negative 4. Opposite signs, I'm guessing it's going to be negative, but I can also use my triangle method. Cross out what I see. I see a positive 36, and I see a negative 4, so my answer has to be negative. Doesn't matter which one you cross out if you have a negative left over, okay? So I know my answer is negative, but negative what? 36 divided by 4 equals something. That's a negative 9. And last one for our practice, 81 divided by 9. Ooh, I don't even need to make a triangle because this is from 5th grade and 6th grade. I know how to divide positive numbers. I've been doing it forever, so don't let that confuse you. Also, same signs, they're both positive, so my answer has to be positive. 81 divided by 9 is just 9. Okay, so make sure you have this all written down. And then you're going to do the practice problems at the bottom. So you have 6 problems.